Hinako ang responsibilidad na pagpapalaki at pagkakaguyod para sa kanyang bunsong anak na si Sunny matapos siya iwan ng kanyang asawa at isama ang kanilang panganay na anak na si Reynalyn. Playing as Tatay Emo, please welcome Richard Kwan! Thank you very much, Richard Kwan. Now, Reynalyn is... Her photos. Annalena is playing the role of Reynalyn. Again, she will be Mujige's mother. Thank you, Anna. Please have a seat. Ang ating next character ay ang Kapitana. Ang chairman ng Aplaya at bilang isang pinuno, sinisiguro niya ang ligtas at maayos ang kalagayan ng kanyang mga nasasakupan. Ganun pa man, hindi siya ang pinakamagaling pagdating sa pag-aalala.
Hey, thanks to myself for being here. I miss you all. Yes.
Pichi, post ka muna sa gitna for photos. Post ka muna for photos.
Toast. Let's drink to this.
Thank you, Pichi. Mujige, siya ang magpupulo ng nawawalang bahagi sa buhay ni Mujige. Thank you, ng Cavite, Ryrie Sofia! Post naman out. Post. O, ibang post pa, ibang post pa. Oh. Isa pa, isa pa. One more. Oh. Alright, everybody ka muna sa kanilang lahat. Greet everybody.
Definitely, aantig ng inyong damdamin. Isa po siyang family drama. At ito pong drama nito is all about connection. Connecting with people whom you might think you're not connected with. Family members where you find families in other families. Mothers who want to be mothers but cannot be mothers. Mothers who are forced to be mothers out of circumstance. So, napaka-lawak po ng dynamics ng Mujige at ito ay tungkol lahat sa pamilya. So, mamaya, i-discuss po ng ating director na si Randos Longhas kung ano ba talaga ang kwento ng Mujige. Pero sa akin po, gusto ko lang kayo lahat pasalamatan. Gusto kong pasalamatan ng press. Alam niyo po, malaking bagay na nandito kayo ngayon kasi ngayon lang kami babalik sa sinihan. Napakatagal na po. Ang huli po namin film that was shown was Maledicto. And then the pandemic happened. We went back naman to producing, but we had a streaming film with Anima, which was Missed Connections. We supported Gitling, which was a Cinemalaya film. Pero hanggang dun lang po kami at that time. So ngayon po, ang Mujige, ang unang-una namin pelikula sa sinehan. From UXS po, I think this is the perfect time to also say that we have a unit called Unitel Stories. Kasi ang UXS, hindi lang naman po pelikulang ginagawa namin, gumagawa rin po kami ng ads. I think a lot of people know that too about us. But now that we are going back to producing films and then producing series, as you have seen, last one, Laughing Philippines, Comedy Island Philippines, we are now going to brand this under Unitel Stories. At ito po, kung maaalala nyo, ang chairman po namin ay si Mr. Tony Gloria. He is actually the inspiration behind the name Unitel Stories na pinag-uusapan namin. So this is his legacy and we are here to continue that. So maraming salamat po sa aming cast, sa management teams, sa mga crew na kasama po sa paggawa ng pelikula, ang aming post-prod, ang audio houses, our partners, CMB Films, Happy Infinite Films, Wyatt, and of course, we are exclusively going to be shown on SM Cinemas nationwide. So malaking pasasalamat namin sa SM. So yun po, marami pong salamat. And please support our film. We know it's very difficult to be back in theaters, but I think with everybody's help, let's please encourage everybody to go to the cinemas, not only for Mujige, but also for the other films, so that our industry also survives. Importante po kasi yun, para lahat po tayo tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho dito sa ating industriya at isulong po natin ang ating creative industry sa paggawa ng pelikula kasi kaya-kaya po natin i-ahon itong industriya to with all your help. So maraming salamat po. Enjoy the evening.
Also joining him on stage, Mark, also joining him is the captain of the ship ng proyektong ito. He is a filmmaker, commercial director, and a writer. Some of his most memorable projects are Ang Turkey Man Ay Pabo Rin, star na si Van Damme Stallone, and Buy Now, Die Later. Please welcome one of UX's youngest directors, Direk Randolph Longham. Okay, before we ask Direk and Ryman to speak, let's have one photo with Miss Mado here, please, on stage. Yeah. Alright, thank you, Miss Mado. Have a seat. Ryman, ikaw muna. Welcome.
Hello po, magandang...
Randolph.
Yes. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Familiar faces ang karamihan, lagi yung mga sumuporta sa Last One Laughing, and I'm very grateful na nandito ulit kayo to support naman my comeback film also.
Wow.
It's been 7 years since my last film, so medyo nakakakaba siya. Yun.
Welcome back. Okay, so briefly, tungkol saan ba itong Mujige?
Ang kwento ng Mujige, isa siyang Kupino, batang Kupino, half Korean, half Filipino, na naulila at kailangan niyang pumunta dito ng Pilipinas para alagaan siya. Aalagaan siya ng tita niya na ayaw magkaanak. So, lagi na siya may push and pull ng relationship ang makikita niyo. So, yun, isa siyang kwento para sa mga nanay, gustong maging nanay, ayaw maging nanay, at pinipilit maging nanay. So, very pampamilya po talaga ito.
Grabe. Ryman, kwento mo ba to?
Kwento po namin. We collaborated po sa pagbuo ng
Hindi ba to inspired by true stories or true events?
More of, nag-start siya as a millennial, maraming statement na kasi na ayaw magkaanak.
Talaga ba?
Diba? Oo, marami. Ako sa circle of friends ko, sobrang konti lang ang may anak. Kahit ako, parang ngayon hindi pa rin ako solve kung gusto ko magkaanak or hindi. So dito yung nag-start na ang mga millennials na ayaw magkaanak, gusto ko i-bridge yung story na yun. Na kahit ayaw nila magkaanak, capable silang magpalaki ng bata.
Yeah, parang gusto namin din na maikwento na somehow we need to be reminded na lahat tayo ay mayroong capacity na magmahal at magpakita ng care sa mga tao.
Na-mention niyo yung mga keywords no? Family, mother, surefire, tatama to sa puso ng mga manonood.
Sana. Nakailang shooting days din kami at tuwing nagtitake kami, paglilimod ko, ba't umiiyak itong mga
katabi ko?
So, yeah, but at the same time, sobrang heartwarming siya. Mas heartwarming siya for me.
Was this shot in the Philippines and in Korea?
Yes, we shot 90% in Taal.
Okay.
And then 10% in Korea.
Wow. Okay, we'll talk more about it. Let's have a seat first.